Oh, sorry. Hello everyone, I was thinking about doing a Darkman cosplay, because it's a pretty underrated movie, I gotta say, especially the first one. The second, the first one is actually pretty, it's a bit of a hidden gem or whatever you want to call it, a cult classic, yeah. The second one and the third one, those are pretty unknown, but I gotta say the first one is the best. And yeah, I'm gonna try and do a cosplay of Darkman. So let's see what we have. Look at all this shit. Okay, we got a shirt. That will work. Let's see. I gotta fix this coat. Maybe make a cape. This hat will work fine. Black pants. Now what to do with the face? Maybe... Ah. That will work. This might work.